Hey, and welcome to my new series called Make It Work with Berk from home. I'm your professor, Mr. Berk, and each week I'll be offering you simple tips, tricks, and tools on how to transform your space. Simply and easily, anyone can do it. And if you feel you can't, that's what teachers are for. So grab your pencils and possibly your Pinterest boards because class is in session. Ever look at an empty shelf and think, where do I start? The options are endless on how you can fill shelves, but there's a few easy tips on how to achieve a shelf that's half empty. And no, half empty is not always a bad thing.
I knew exactly what to do, but in a much more real sense, I had no idea what to do.
This student took her empty shelves and filled them with accessories that she got at both thrift stores and at big boxes that she already had at home. Here's how. Items like a picture frame and books can seem like the obvious choice when filling shelves, and they work great. But what happens when you bring old glass bottles and thrifted pottery finds to give these shelves character and texture? Let's tune in to Sydney, our head of marketing at Bobby Berk, to see how she tackled her empty shelves. Watch as she makes choices to fill the space and see what grade she gets on this Make It Work with Berk assignment. Now this is how you make a shelf curated and not cluttered. Sydney took 9 open shelves and added less than 9 items to each shelf following the simple rule I gave her. That sounds like an almost perfect 10. By incorporating personal moments with practical ones, dried flowers to family frames, this shelf became a moment that's transformative and can easily be recreated using things you already own. Try it. You might have more shelf awareness than you think. I'm gonna give Sydney an A+. I'll see you next week where I'll have another student do a different assignment and I'll be showing you how to make it work with Berk at home. Don't be late. No,